Good morning everyone. First I wish you all very happy Children's Day. My name is Tainas Leah. My school name is Sanne Vela Metric School, Chittalapakam. My UKG A session. My favorite bird is peacock. The peacock is very beautiful bird. Its neck is long. Its size is small. The peacock is dance in the rain. The peacock is crown very attractive. The peacock is female is called peacan. The peacock national bird. The peacock is